from the iconic savannas of the Masai Mara to the serene waters of Lake Nakuru. From mountains to oceans, this East African country offers an unparalleled wildlife experience. At the center of all the attention is the renowned Masai Mara. Covering over 1,500 square kilometers, the Masai Mara is famed for the Great Migration, where over 1 million wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles traverse its plains in search of greener pastures. As dawn breaks over the Masai Mara, a shadow slips silently through the grass. This is the leopard, the elusive and enigmatic master of stealth. The Masai